They were diving into a massive move from Google. They are rebranding the popular NotebookLM into Gemini Notebook. This shift is specifically designed to cure research fatigue and totally transform how we analyze data. Let's dive right into this. Think about your old workflow for a second. Jumping between all those fragmented apps, constantly exporting data, writing code somewhere else, it literally drains your focus. The Gemini workflow completely solves this. You do everything natively, right where your notes actually are, and it remains securely grounded in your own personal sources. The heavy lifting is done for you, so you can focus entirely on your actual ideas, instead of the messy logistics of trying to organize them. Which leads us perfectly into Section 2, your secure cloud computer, unlocking analytical superpowers. This is a dedicated, built-in environment allowing Gemini Notebook to write and execute code natively, directly on your data. You essentially have a private, super powerful computer capable of doing incredibly complex analysis. No leaving the window, no setting up some clunky external coding environment. It is all right there. So, the crucial point is, how does this actually play out in your daily work? You can now write and execute code seamlessly, right in the app, for complex data analysis on the fly. And this is the best part. It stays strictly grounded in your sources. You aren't getting generic internet answers. You're getting deep, code-driven analysis based entirely on your personal library. It's literally like having a dedicated data scientist looking exclusively at your uploaded documents. Let's keep moving. Section 3. Notebooks go everywhere. Seamless integration across the Google ecosystem. Let's see how this builds across your daily workflow. Step 1. You create and organize in your standalone Gemini Notebook experience, exactly like you always have. Nothing new there. But Step 2, you can now access and sync those exact notebooks directly within the main Gemini app. And Step 3, you'll soon be able to explore your notebooks directly in Google Search's AI mode. It maps out this completely frictionless experience where your digital notebooks are everywhere you work, whenever you need them. And this brilliantly illustrates their core philosophy here. We're excited to keep building this ecosystem with you. It's an ever-present partner, built to elevate your learning journey and basically evolve right alongside your growing ambitions. The friction is gone. You have a secure cloud computer running code on your flawlessly synced data. So what is stopping you from tackling that massive project you've been putting off? Get in there, try these new features out, and see just how capable you really are.